Solve the equation 6x minus 1 is equal to 2 over x. In our case, since we've got an equal sign, so what we're going to do is simplify. We're going to divide this by 1, then we cross multiply. So this will be x times 6x minus 1 is equal to 2 times 1, which is 2. Then we expand this, so this will be 6x squared minus x is equal to 2. This will cross the equal sign, so 6x squared minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. So this is in form of ax squared plus bx plus c. And what we do in order to factorize this to find the values of x is we're going to say the factors a and 6, a times c and b. So the factors of these two will help us find the variables or the factors of this equation. Hence, in our case, our a is what? Our a is 6, so this would be 6 times negative 2, which is equal to negative 12. Then we have our b, which is b is equal to negative 1. So this is equal to that, and b is equal to negative 1. So in our case, we look for two numbers. If you multiply them, they'll give you negative 12, but if you add them, they'll give you negative 1. So this is trial and error. But quickly, we have 3 and negative 4. 3 times negative 4 will give us negative 12. 3 minus 4 will give us negative 1. So we replace these as our factors in the equation where there is negative x. So we're going to say 6x squared, we're going to get plus 3x minus 4x minus 2, which is equal to 0. So in our case, we're going to group these so that we're able to factorize them properly. So 6x squared plus 3x, what is common here is 3x. So 3x, open bracket, we're going to remain with 2x, because 3 times 2 is 6. X times x is x squared, hence we get back to 6x squared. Plus, what will remain here? 1. Meaning if we multiply 3x times 1, we'll get back to this. And here, we're going to get minus 2 as our factor, which is common. Then open bracket, negative 2 into negative 4x is 2x. When we multiply the 2, we get back to this. Plus negative 2 into negative 2 is 1, which is equal to 0. So we group the like terms, we factor them together since these two are common. Hence, I'm going to write it on top here. Since this and this are common, so we bring it here. So this would be 2x plus 1 and 3x minus 2 as our last factor, which is equal to 0. Having two variables or 2 multiplied and gives you 0, we'll assume that this is equal to 0 and this is equal to 0. Hence, we're going to get this to be equal to 0 and that to be equal to 0 to find the two values of x. So 2x plus 1 is equal to 0 and 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Here, 2x is equal to negative 1. This will cross the equal sign, becomes negative. Here, 3x will be equal to 2. We divide by 2 here, divide by 2 here, hence our x here is negative 1 over 2. And our x here, we divide by 3, divide by 3, our x will remain 2 over 3. So these are our two final answers when solving such type of equations.